Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So yeah, if you're new, my name is Ruth, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So yeah, today's a Tuesday, and I am filming a day in the life vlog, mainly because I have some errands to run today. Firstly, I'm gonna go to a friend's house. We're just gonna chill for a bit while I'm waiting for a call. My stock has arrived for my business. I sell clothes and shoes and accessories and stuff. So yeah, my stock has arrived. I'm really waiting for it to be cleared so that I can go collect it. So I don't know if I'm gonna collect or they're actually gonna deliver it here, but I also need to get paper bags and just stuff that I use to package. So yeah, I just thought let me just shoot a day in the life because I haven't vlogged the whole weekend as I usually do, because I was just lazy. There was nothing that I was doing. So yeah, I'm wearing this wig that is not laid, and I need a flat comb to flatten this area, but it's okay because I'm just running errands. I'm not doing anything like hectic. I'm not going to an event or anything, so I really don't have to be like all glammed up. It's actually quite cold today. I don't know what's going on with August. Like it'll be cold in the morning and then extremely hot like during the day, and then cold again at night. So I don't know if I should pack something lighter. I'm wearing this cropped jersey, but I think I should pack something lighter so I can change at my friend's house if I need to go out and I feel like it's hot then. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do. So I thought I should just start the vlog here before I leave so that it won't be like all over the place. So yeah, let's go.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain. The sorrows in your brain.
How cute is this? Stock. I'm waiting for it to be cleared so that I can go collect it. But selling is not as easy as you may think it is, because you want to, yeah, you want to be at a place where I can pay rent. Consistency. But you afford how long is it gonna take you to sell those things? And you're not like a shop. Can't tell you wanna compromise and say no, I can allow like lay-by. Lay-by kana bayana ba go raba re ke engwe sa re 2 months to pay. But when ke sa 300 pula 2 months to pay jang ke a go reka stock yang wa bona. So like I wanna be at a place where ke tsenya stock go ngwe beke le beke, so that at least it says it in them. But that needs money.
But if I'm gonna make you, if you're gonna lay by something set and then you want it to be 2 months to pay, well, I'm gonna leave it cost and
Motswana have a delivery fee. Oh man, rira yana bathong. Petrol ya tura tudietsa.
I used to like sell wigs,
Yeah,
make hair, and whatever.
yeah.
So now, my enemy, if I go to 2 months to pay. So you give me the half before
Yeah.
like, the money, and then take
Exactly.
it after a month.
You pay the balance.
Guys,
it is nkile ka rekisa marir.
Okay, I wash hair and I switch height. How do I negotiate that 150?
We used to sell hair. I don't know if you remember. A very long time ago. You know what Motswana do? Because it was the time the weekly seeds and the fashion, so when they did like bundles the closure. When you're not a market on the moment installer. Come on, so when you're not going to you can't go back for your hair. Wa go dira jang? Kana o lositse value.
Nna ne ke o tsaya ke ka ba ka o da ka rwala. Bona mo mo a tsho go se go ntsantsana.
Busa moriri.
Every day beke kwe. Antara.
Because you seriously get tired.
Antara isa o ntse mo go kirket. Ala sa mi ala bo ka tulu korna ka go kara mo rwala.
Nka se ke kgone.
So I'm trying to go back to regular business.
Are you
But I
sure?
don't want to sell. I've been doing it, but I've never been serious about it. For people who know me when they like things.
Oh yeah. So you wanna open like a page, hella proper, hella and
I opened
advertise?
an Instagram page.
Yeah.
I made a logo. I'm
Hey,
trying.
now to also it.
Guess you want to go here and get a logo. You know.
Yeah, how to language nepeteng and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, me, what's going on? Keep the picture, but I'm not going
Nothing. What's it going to do? But you know what I was saying happened the other day. I think we compromise a lot on our business so much that because it's like we're desperate for people to buy. So you end up compromising what I'm talking No. Don't do that. Oh, Motatsa Murari Madialeha. 10 days to come and wait. How will you have 10 days in okay, 10 days. Oh, it's just a week and 3 days. How could you have a week and 3 days? Not 10 years.
That was the worst experience of life.
Mommy, just be so grateful and thankful. Corona Saraga is similar last year. So I've never tested positive. I've been with people who are positive. I've been like exposed and stuff, but I've never tested positive. Guys, I had such a lovely time. So I decided to come stand here because it's so cute and tell you guys that I'm heading home because I have a client. I'm gonna get the parcel tomorrow in the morning because yeah, they only called like later today. So I have a client, I can't go there. So yeah, I'm heading out now before I delay. But I had such a nice time and yeah, you guys will see my guest one day. You'll see her one day. You just keep hearing her voice, but one day you will see her. Okay? I'm serious. So yeah, bye guys. Hi guys. Today is a Wednesday. I know I didn't say like bye to you guys yesterday. So yeah, I know I was supposed to be shooting a day in the vlog, but as you guys know, I might have said earlier in the vlog that I didn't manage to do everything yesterday. So yeah, obviously things that I had to do yesterday, some of them are pushed to today. So yeah, we managed with my friend that I went to visit. It was so lovely, it was so refreshing. We went through her closet trying to put like pieces together, just trying to style her clothes. You know, sometimes we buy clothes only for them to stay like modi wardrobe and we never wear our clothes. So she was like, girl, I need to start wearing my clothes. Like I buy a lot of stuff that I actually don't wear because sometimes you wonder how to get a guy with all of these things, you know. But yeah, we did that. It was so nice. We did like a whole entire fashion show. Literally, you put that wig, you put on that outfit, the shoes, choose a bag to go with it, and you're like, yes. With my makeup done, I'm gonna be the girl. So yeah, it was really, really nice to actually do that. Like I really missed like having such times or such things with my friends. So yeah, we both actually have kids. They are I think 4 months apart or so. So yeah, we were pregnant at the same time, so we had like a lot to share. So even to this day we talk about motherhood a lot. more. Like, it's one of those topics that we effortlessly find ourselves talking about. Like, it's not even planned, but we talk about it. So yeah, like, it's really, really nice to actually be with someone who understands like the struggles and everything. Yeah, like, we just talk and it's refreshing. Anyway, guys, I'm vlogging and I'm waiting for my friend. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm picking my friend up. We're gonna run some errands. I'll tell you more in a bit because it's gonna be weird vlogging here, but I'm outside her house now. I'm waiting for her. So yeah, we are gonna we're gonna find like life cover and funeral cover for the both of us to see if we can actually join that, because adulting has finally started. So like I was saying, my friend is here. I'll show you guys in a bit. Today she has no problem being in the vlog, okay? So she's gonna say hi in a bit. So yeah, we are gonna look for, but the funeral cover insurance, okay, life insurance. Funeral cover.
I don't have any of those.
Exactly.
We want both. Even for me.
Okay. Tell me.
I don't know.
I thought we agreed.
Yes.
Anyway, we're gonna look for life cover, funeral cover, because it's time. It's time. We need all that. Medical aid.
That we're also going.
Oh, she's looking for medical aid. Myself, I can't afford medical aid yet. So yeah, she'll get medical aid, I hope. So yeah, we just took this entire day to do all of that, and then obviously I'm gonna get stock, and then I have a few deliveries to do, but I think I can always do that tomorrow. Like I told people, I'm gonna deliver on Thursday. So yeah, if you don't like my page yet, please go and like my page on Facebook. It's Modern Beautech BW. I'll write it on the screen. Thank you. Oh, say hi.
Hi guys. Hi.
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. really messy. Pero I'll give it a see what I got. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, well, it's here. Hi guys. So we managed to get like, can I even call them quotations? But yeah, we managed to inquire everything, and yeah, I think by now we know like which one to go for. So we checked a couple of them, and yeah, I think we have decided. So now we need to gather like king the copies are mang for people that you are gonna cover. So right now we are by the hospital. My boyfriend is in town. He came Katir, so we just came to see him. So now we just saw a post there, Motor City back at 45 pool, and they are in block 7. So I'm gonna try to call them so that we can see if we can find anything we like. Well, I like one bag that I saw I posted, so if they still have it, I'm not too sure if I get it because it's a risk. It's something that I wouldn't normally get, ne? The shape of it, it's not a bag that I'd use. Yeah. And it's cow print. So I don't know, we'll see. So let's call the guy and then we will take you guys with. Hi. How are you? Ke le ke batla ya cow print tsala. Cow print ke ne ke bona hela itse re ke tsena ke re kgomo. No re tsena.
Those ones is 120.
120. Yeah, no, you can't choose. I was already stepping out of my comfort zone. Kaya cow print. Yeah, no, soft. Yeah. What do? Look at Taka. Nikki Vanilla, like you look at some of the come hat say. What's a matter to commute in itself? Can I take it to tell them about the baby? Huh? Which one? Hi guys, today is a Thursday. Also the day that I'm gonna post this vlog. I know yesterday I got home like really late, close to curfew time, and to be quite honest, I was very exhausted. Like I was so exhausted, so I literally just came home, I ate, and then I just freshened up obviously, and then I slept. I'm so sorry for the noise, you guys. I hope you guys can hear me properly. But yeah, I got home, I just wanted to rest, so I did that. I just edited this vlog in the morning, and then I thought, let me shoot an outro. So yeah, but we managed to do everything. I still have to sort out my finances, at least have like a consistent amount, maybe like on a certain day, because I'm unemployed. So just so that they can trust me to do such things, I'll probably employ myself or whatever, because you know they need like body bank statement and all that because you're unemployed. But if you're employed, they just need like a letter of employment or whatever they were saying. It's a lot. But yeah, for the next couple of months, obviously I will try to sort out my finances and just make sure that I can commit to that, you know. So yeah, I mean, they do have other plans where like they don't need your bank statement, you have to deposit money every month. But I feel like that's a, hey guys, I can't go, I need something that I can pay via like bank app, or they do like a stop order or something like that. I can't go to wherever to post money every single month. I really can't do that. I can't. So yeah, today I'm going to post this video now, and then I have to deliver some of these things to the clients. But yesterday I managed to deliver to some clients. I also took two of my hairs to the lady that I went to visit the day before yesterday. So yeah, she just started her hair business. Well, she's not starting now, but she just got serious now. Yeah, I took some wigs to her. When I collect them, I will show you guys like the before pictures and the after pictures. But I really do trust her, and she's really talented with hair. Like, I've seen hair that she has treated before and did all these nice things to hair. So yeah, I'll definitely show you guys in the next coming vlog or vlogs, depending on when she'll be done. I actually didn't ask that part. I don't ask, but yeah, I will keep you guys posted on that. So yeah, I'm excited for my breakfast, you guys, and I have to show you guys. I'm gonna have dinawa with magunya. It's actually leftover dinawa. We had that yesterday, but yeah, I will insert a clip just now so you guys can see. But yeah, it's a bye from me for now. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I really appreciate you guys' support, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye.